Hello YouTube, RJ. Hey, just a short little video. Previous video, I showed my new little isolation distributor for my GPS DO. And I got ready to hook it all up, and I had a concern, and that was that it's, as I showed in the video where we opened up the and unboxed it, it runs on a battery and then charges from USB. And I always worry about having a lithium-ion battery sitting in a device constantly under charge at full charge, because these things are going to degrade over time, and they really don't like to be fully charged all the time. And so, I always worried, to be honest with you, about fires, really, in shorting out stuff. So I wondered if it would run just off the USB. So I opened it up. I pulled the 4 screws out of the front here, slid the board out. Thought, what the heck? We'll take a look at the board here. Here's what's in the board. You can see the little op amps for each channel, and the battery and the switch up here. And this is a little transformer right here. And so your input comes in through a transformer to isolate it. And then you've got some operational amplifiers that make sure that we don't drop signal. We keep a strong signal. And then we got a battery charging chip over here. So, I mean, it's a pretty straightforward setup. So what I did is I went ahead and unsoldered the battery. I hooked the USB up, and then I checked to see if it would power up, and it does. It will run off the USB directly. Therefore, I've unsoldered that. I'm going to clip this bare end off right there like that. And I think I'm going to put a little screw right there just to make sure this doesn't touch anything. And put this thing back together, and that way it can run on my bench powered by USB without me worrying about this battery getting overcharged. If it discharges over time, you don't have a fire issue then. You have an issue when they've been charged, or something goes wrong in the charging circuit and they overcharge. So I'm going to operate like that. And I don't need the battery portability of it. So just a little quick video to show you what was in here, show you what I'm doing. These cables, I'm gonna feed in my GPS DO in, and then I'm gonna come out with these cables I showed to run to my 2 instruments. And then I've got 2 more instruments I could add references to. If I get more instruments that need a reference, I've got 2 more off my GPS DO. So anyway, thought you might find that interesting. That's it. We're not going to drag this out. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you'll hit a like if you liked it. And I hope you'll subscribe if you're not subscribed. But I really hope you'll see me in the next video.